So today we've stopped all the bypass traffic. There's more Pachalangs and cops than Ben-Hur. And here comes the procession with this ghastly adat truck in front. Ne Pangjo diajang usa acara ta mobil tu. So this is the 42nd year I've been doing this. This is the gods of Swong Kang In. Pang tiang di tanga tanga jalan kene amara luong. Here we go. The gods from the Pura Desa now have got this wheel thing. Here comes the Blaganjur. Nah. Ladies, the Ibu PKK look wonderful today in all their pink mushroomy seragam, Lasakop Sakenan. Here we can see the Pura Dalem in the background there, halfway down the causeway. So the gods have filed into the Pura Sakenan. In the background to the west there is the Pura Dalem Sakenan. And the gods of Dalem Kapalo and the Pura Desa Kapaon will take their seat. But Wirio, the Panling Sirpuri, and the priest from the palace. So the gods will take their seat, the archer, and the special Meru, 5 Merus, Morgan, Intaran, which is the Batara Gunung Agung. Oniki Batara Desa. Here's the Pura Desa gods. There's Dharma up front. Dalam Kapala, Sarang Batara Desa, Kapaon. They're parking the mobile jolly, the mobile Japana out there. Bulganju's still playing rather heatedly. This is the man with my walk. I think I'll go to the Pura Dalem first. It's looking much quieter. Found my bodyguard, son-in-law of the old Mangku Intaran, Mangku Sakenan, who's in charge of the Pura Dalem Sakenan. This is the unique 16th century Pasada to Dalem Sakenan, rumored to have been rebuilt by Dangan Dwijendra, Dangan Nirata, possibly on a site already consecrated by Uncle Kuturan in the 10th century, but this is a late Majapahit Java shrine. The thing about Sakenan is that people bring their little babies for the first time to the temple to Mapintana Dana. No, ni paling cantik. Here's Ratu Agung, Pura Dalem Sakenan arriving, I think. No, it's Intaran. Pura Agung, who just appears as a Daksina Linga. So this seems to be the rival of the Barong from Kusung Ye. Look at all those wonderful boxes. The bun. I feel like I need a trance when I see those things sweeping in there like that. Traditionally, it is the Barong. Ne Kusung Ye, no. Carrying the dander, the barong, the baton. It's actually the barong from Mogam, which I should know, having documented it 50 times. And the Mogam Meru is next to the Kapawan Meru. Kapawan arrives first, being the Chuchu of the Dalem Sakenan. And usually the son of the god of Sakenan comes last, Ratu Agung. Lovely evening atmosphere. Right, Ratu Agung's having a bit of difficulty getting in there because all the Pamadaka are going to that gate. They should be at the west gate. This is Ratu Agung. Where's my dear old monk? The barongs are being seated in the background, and there's the green dragon, Ratu Agung. Sorry, Rangdas are up in the Ratu Ayu. The Susunan of Mogan is sitting in that special Yasan to the east. He's cleansing his hands with incense before he touches the special white Nandi, white Lambu archer, and here comes the last god to be seated. It's the son of dear old Manku Links here. And the seating of Ratu Agung, Pura Dalem Sakenan is complete, and the festival can start in earnest.